we're going to dim the lights. Tapos there are also only going to be 2 big candles. Tapos yung from that 2 big candles, mag-spread yung candle light from one side dito, that one here. So make sure that you have a candle and then you light it from somewhere now. Just pass it on to your katabi, no? Laughter, fun, camaraderie, magpapantay tayo after this program. Okay, so we have 1 big candle here. We're requesting the second couple natin. Show the first candle. Okay, the difference of voice, the difference of girls. And then as you see, kung nalimutan nyo yung lyrics, it's going to be flashing yung PowerPoint.
Each table will have candles, pero hindi enough for each and every one. So, ipapasa na lang yung candle mamaya.
Okay, yung mga paalala lang, yung mga bumili ng ating yearbook, the yearbook copies are here. So dito lang complete, you pay your 500 pesos and you give your copy of the yearbook. Okay. Spread the light. Okay, sandali lang. Ready na ba? Everybody please rise. You have a light and candle, please rise. And then we're going to have the music here and the lyrics here.